guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This week I'm going to be giving you some quick tips for how to include your brand in your photos. So let's jump in and get started. So why do we need to include our brand in our photos? Well, branding is an extremely important part of business, and your brand should be incorporated into everything you do, including your photos. But how do we do that? The first thing you need to do is get the branding basics sorted. This involves thinking deeply about your business. Think about why you went into business. Who is your ideal client? What is your vision, your mission, and your values? Getting clear on these is essential for creating a strong and long-lasting brand. The next step is to find inspiration. So go look at your competition's website. Have a scroll through Pinterest, Instagram, or Etsy. Save the images that you like and feel would fit your brand. From here, you can create a mood board. This can be a physical board like my one here, or a digital board created on an app like Canva, which, by the way, has lots of free templates for mood boards. The purpose of the mood board is to help you arrange your ideas so that your brand can start to come together. Some good things to include on your mood board are your logo, your color swatches, your fonts, some of the inspirational photos that you saved from the inspirational step above, keywords which represent the feel and mood of your business and customers. The final step is to find your photographic style. There are many different photographic styles out there, and it is important that you choose one that really fits with your brand. Have a look at your mood board and think about why you chose the things on there. In particular, look at the photos you put on there. Ask yourself if these photos have anything in common. These are likely to be things you will want to include in your style. These things could be the way it is lit, the way it is styled, the angle it is shot at, the crop of the image, the colors, and the post-processing. Try to work out how the photographer created that effect and then see if you can do something similar. Once you've worked out your style, all you have to do is make sure that you are shooting in that same style. So using the same similar techniques in all of your photos. Because your style came from your brand, this will ensure that your brand is in every single photo. The other thing I just want to mention is that you should repeat these steps every few months to ensure that your brand is staying fresh and up to date with current trends. Okay, so that is everything for today's video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you have, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to get more tips to improve your product photos. Thank you and bye-bye.